Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Option America, your gateway to mastering the intricate world of options trading. Here at Option America, we believe in breaking down complex financial concepts into digestible, easy-to-understand segments. That's why we've structured our course into 4 parts, with the first 2 focusing on call options from both the buyer's and seller's perspectives, followed by an exploration of put options in similar detail. In this course, however, our primary focus lies on unraveling the mysteries of the call option from the buyer's standpoint. Why, you may ask? Well, understanding the dynamics of a call option buyer is foundational to grasping more intricate strategies involving multiple legs. By honing in on this aspect, we aim to provide you with a solid foundation upon which to build your options trading expertise. Throughout our journey together, we'll not only delve into the fundamental principles of options trading in the financial realm, but also draw parallels from everyday scenarios, particularly from the realm of real estate. By contextualizing options within familiar contexts, we aim to demystify the seemingly esoteric world of finance and make it more relatable and accessible to all. But that's not all. As part of our comprehensive curriculum, we'll delve into the nitty-gritty details of option chains and conduct thorough profit and loss analyses. These invaluable tools will equip you with the analytical skills necessary to navigate the complexities of options trading with confidence and precision. Moreover, theory alone can only take you so far. That's why we're committed to providing hands-on experience through practical demonstrations. You'll witness firsthand the process of buying and selling a call option in real-world scenarios, giving you a taste of the excitement and potential pitfalls of options trading. So whether you're a seasoned investor looking to expand your repertoire, or a newcomer eager to dip your toes into the world of options, Option America has something to offer everyone. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we unlock the secrets of options trading and empower you to take control of your financial future.